out of the book, Jessica. Hello. Here's mommy or daddy. Oh, Justin. That's Justin. There's Daddy over here.
Picture here. I put it on top of here. You look at the picture I put on top of there, but it's tape.
Okay.
So it won't fall off.
Alright.
Is that any better?
Yeah. Still wacky, but a lot better.
Yeah. Trying to I don't want to take the camera down from hiding it. Trying to give it a little bit of
Actually, use it and get restoration.
I want to do it.
Should make a taping and...
Where is it going? Dum.
Yeah. Keep on that thing. Put the polish on the surfaces. Ensure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty. Nice surprise. Hi, Jack.
Yeah, it's better from here.
That's a lot cleaner.
Yeah, it'd be nice to, I mean, pictures are good to have. I just, when I look at people who have done something once, usually it doesn't involve many pictures. It's usually like a couple of ornamental decorations. And that would be a good spot to do something, but it functions too, and ultimately going to stick stuff over there.
Isn't it going off, Jessica? Say bye. You'll see the bubble there quick.
Come put your camera.
Mm.